Here we begin our video B, multiplying two digits by two digits. If it helps you to separate them, that's 77 times 8, and then it's 77 times 3. Here I have it written that way. You can certainly work them, and I spend 2 or 3 days with my students working them that way before I have them leave them together. 8 times 7 is 56. Put down the 6 and carry the 5. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus the 5 is 61. Please take note how I keep my ones, tens, and hundreds lined up. 3 times 7 is 21. Put down the 1 and carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. If you multiply by the 3, the answer has to start under the 3. So when you scoot that over, it leaves a gap. You fill that in with a 0. Always make it a funny looking 0. To let the students know we didn't multiply anything and get that. We are simply filling in that gap. So 231 becomes 2,310. Multiplication and addition go together. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2,926 is the answer. We go to the next one. 85 times 49. 85 times 49. 85 times 49. Let's get this over a little further. It's the same as doing 85 times 9, and then 85 times 4. 85 times 4. 9 times 5. 9 times 5, the answer is going to start with a 6. Excuse me, 4. I'm sorry. 9 times 5, the answer will start with a 4. 4 plus what equals 9? The answer is 5. So 45 is the answer. 9 times 5 is 45. The number on the right is going to hang tight. You're going to lift that left number, which is a 4. 9 times 8, the answer is going to start with a 7. 7 plus what equals 9? 7 plus 2. So the answer is 72. 72 plus the 4 is 76. So your first row is 765. 765. Now we're going to multiply times the 4. If we multiply with a 4, the answer's got to start right under it. 4 times 5 is 20. Put down the 0 and carry the 2. 4 times 8 is 32. Plus 2 is 34. So the answer is 340. But then we scoot it over and we have to fill this gap in with a 0. That turns in to 3,400. Now let's add it. 5, 6, that's 11. Carry the 1. And the answer is 4,165. 4,165. Our next number is going to be 16 times 12. Now you can go 16 times 2, and then 16 times 1. And if you like separating them out like that, it works fine. 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus that 1 is 3. Now 1 times 16 is 16. Since you multiply under this number, the answer starts under it. It leaves a gap. We fill that in with a funny looking 0. Multiplication and addition go together. It's 291. 192 is the answer. 12 times 16 is 192. '67 times 62. You can go over here and go 67 times 2. And then 67 times 6. If you'd rather work it separately and put it back together. 2 times 7 is 14. Put down the 4 and carry the 1. Why is that? The number on the right is going to hang tight, and we're going to lift the left. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Notice how I never fail to write it up here. If you don't write it, you will forget it. On average of a test of 20 to 25 questions, students will miss one simply because they fail to write it up there, then they didn't add it in. They'll lose about 20% on a test for that one mistake. Now we're going to multiply by the 6. The answer's got to start under the 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Put down the 2 and carry the 4. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus 4 is 40. 420 is the answer. Except when you fill this gap in, that funny 0, it now becomes 4,020. Multiplication and addition go together. 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1. Just drop the 4 down, and the answer is 4,154. Okay? 4,154. All right, we're going to do 97 times 43. 97 times 43. If you'd rather break it apart and make it a 97 times 3, a 2-digit but 1-digit, that's fine. Then you're going to go 97 times 4. And then put the problem back together. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 9 times a 3, the answer is going to start with a 2. 2 plus what equals 9? You're right, it's 7. So 3 times 9 is 27. Plus the 2 we carried is 29. 291 is the answer on the first row. Now, we're going to multiply by the 4. The answer starts here under the 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Carry the 2. 9 times a 4, the answer is going to start with a 3. 3 plus what equals 9? 3 plus what equals 9? That's right, 6. So 4 times 9 is 36. Add the 2 in and you got 38. Now 388 is the answer, but when you put in the special 0, it becomes 3,880. It's time now to add it up. 9 plus 8 is 17. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And the answer is 4,171. Okay. All right, next we're going to do 27 times 12. 27 times 12. It'll be 27 times 2. And it'll be 27 times 1. Let me double check, make sure the board's still right position. Okay, that's pretty good. Two times 7 is 14, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 1 plus 27 is 27. Since I multiplied by the 1, the answer had to start under the 1 here. Now, I fill in the gap with that funny looking 0, and 27 becomes 207. Multiplication and addition go together. It's 4. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry the 1. And your answer is 324. 324. Next you got 45. This is letter N. 45 times 35. That's it. Make that X when you do it. You're going to first go 45 times 5. And then you're going to go 45 times 3. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2 is 22. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So 45 times 3 is 135. Except when I multiplied by the 3, I had to scoot the answer over. That left a gap, which we fill in with that funny looking 0. Multiplication, addition go together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. Drop the 1 down, and the answer is 1,575. 1,575. I'm going to adjust this up. Our next group of problems.